No real name.
We need your light. We need the light.
What the fuck are you? Yeah, man.
He's a fucking maple syrup.
No,
No, that's
no,
enough.
that's plain.
You're so not gonna be able to carry it.
Ice trays. Are you kidding?
Come on, you guys. Hurry up.
You guys are fucking loud.
We've been taking your bowls, motherfucker.
Can you just put it in the middle of the floor? Dude, you guys broke the fridge.